What's up guys, my name is Tony and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first look at the Lululemon Metal Vent Tech LS 2.0 long sleeve in extra large. Now before I do start this video, just so you guys know, I am employed by Lululemon. I work for their head office downtown Vancouver, so I do have an affiliation to the brand. Now I don't remember the colorway. It's kind of like a copper. I wear a ton of earth tones, so I thought this would work really well for me. So let's open this one up. Now, if you are curious about my measurements, they are all right here, so you can see those. So the metal vent, I think, is like, it's like a super, not see-through, but it's a super stretchy, lightweight, thin material. You can see right now, it looks like there's actually like a delineation between the top and bottom. It's like a lighter or a darker on the bottom and a lighter on the top. Looks super comfortable, looks super stretchy. I'll probably remove this tag. I do like how a lot of their stuff doesn't have tags on it, which is really nice. But it looks really good so far, so let's go try it on and see how it fits. Okay, so here is the Metal Vent Tech 2.0 long sleeve in like a copper colorway. I actually really like the delineation between the upper and the torso here. It's a really good look. The sleeves are a little bit loose than some of the other Metal Tech where it's a little bit tighter of a fit, but again, it's just two different styles. I'm still super happy with it. The big thing for me is always fit in the shoulders. It fits really nice through the shoulders and chest right now, which I really enjoy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, it's Lululemon. I know I'm in XL, and it fits me flawlessly. Check it out. Super happy with that. So if you guys are new here, don't forget I am the #1 source for all things male Lululemon on YouTube. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like the video. As always, thanks for watching.